Today we are going to see about the simulation of analog experiments in a virtual platform. So the virtual platform we are going to use here is Tinkercad. So this platform is used to use a 3D CAD design tool. Not only CAD design tool, also you can able to use some simple experiments, analog experiments in a virtual platform. First, let us use simulate some small experiments. We'll go to the sign in option of Tinkercad. So normally we will be able to sign in through Google, Gmail, or sign with Apple. So if you are a student, you can also access through a student platform. So first I will be going using Gmail. I'm going to get it signed in. So it is loading now. So you'll be using the Tinkercad page. As I have already signed in my Gmail, so it directly goes to the dashboard. So here we are going to create a new design. Here we have many options like 3D design circuits, code blocks, and you can also create a project in a virtual manner. So you can able to access this. First I am going to go for circuits. So create a new circuit. So already I have done some small sample experiments. So first we will see some new sample experiments. So normally we will be using in laboratory many electronic passive components and active components. So passive components are resistor, capacitor, inductor. Active components which gives energy like power supply, and we can have the input for function generator, and for DC the output we have cathode ray oscilloscope. So same environment we are going to implement in this Tinkercad in a virtual manner. So it will be exciting for everyone as a learner. Even I too get excited, and I have done many small experiments, and I am going to show some few simple experiments so you can have some idea. So after that you can try many experiments, and it will be like similar what we are going to do in lab. So first let me introduce some many options over here. So now we are came to the platform of Tinkercad. So first you can see this options, rotate options. You can select any component. I can rotate in any rotation, horizontal or in vertical. And if you want to delete some components, you can delete using this. And this is undo, and this is redo options, as you know. And this is the view or hide the comment. For example, if you want to highlight, give some annotations, and if you want to show or hide, you can able to use this. And we have some code generation of our component. If you use Arduino boards, you can able to see the code part also. You can see this simulation part. Like if you want to use the simulation start of simulation, you can able to see the simulation output. And if you want to stop it, you can able to stop over here. And you can also use the export circuit. You can export, give some take the circuit to, and you can show it to anyone. And also you can able to show the share experiment. You can share to any people or through mail. And first we will see the components. In components we have basic components, and we have the all options which shows the all the components available. Here we have starters. So basically what are the starters? That is already built in small experiments, which is can able to click this option. I can able to put it here, and you can just start the simulation, run it. You can just able to see the output. First let me show a small example. First click this and place it. So I've placed over here, and I just start simulating. So what happens? The LED blinks. So this is a battery which is connected to one end of the resistor and another end of the LED, and just I start simulated. The LED is on. When I stop simulating, the LED is off. So this is just a simple experiment here which shows the simple simulation of the circuit. first I'll delete this and I'll go for the components. You can see many options: sensors, input device, output devices. I'll show it later. So first we'll see some small experiment. Breadboard. So like you're in a laboratory experiments, how you can able to see the breadboard and you can able to connect the components. The same way you're going to do here. And I click this experiment, so I just press. So if you want, if a breadboard symbol, you can able to rename it. And you have many microcontrollers, Arduino controller, ATtiny controller. You have instruments, as I said, function generator, oscilloscope. We'll be using in our lab. The same thing you can able to use it here also, and oscilloscope in this side. So first in this breadboard, you can see this. This is the connecting platforms, and you can see this breadboard. This terminal is plus and this terminal is minus. Similarly in opposite side also. So when you want to give a ground connection or negative connection, you can press it here. For the positive, here positive. First of all, I just want to connect positive towards here. I'm going to if you click this red and black, you can able to get the wire automatically. So I can able to take this. I can able to connect anywhere else. So this positive, I can able to connect this. So positive of function generator and positive of CRO is connected now, and negative of CRO and negative of, once again I will redo this, negative of this and the negative of function generator. Okay. So in this function generator, the input value defaultly we have frequency, amplitude, DC offset. If you want to change sine waveform, you can able to change a sine, and you can able to now start simulation. So what happens here? A positive. Let me check it. First I will positive. Start simulation. Okay, now I'm going to have this output now. You can see this output. See here, can you able to see the sine wave? As I given sine wave as input, I can able to see the sine wave here. And I can also change option to a minimum time period. So I just want to give some seconds, 100 seconds. Take some time to simulate. Look like it will come. Okay, so the amplitude is 5. So you can see here. So this is what we are going to see in this output here. And change the value also. Okay. You can see the output. So just I'm going to increase this for 10 seconds. I could stop simulation and again I will start it. So it's not coming, and again I will reduce this time. Okay, now it's coming. So that's how it's just a simple experiment. Next I will show some other experiments in next video. Thank you.